Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. If you're looking to expand your digital library with instant access to thousands of titles, this straightforward process will have you reading in no time. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account, so go ahead and enter your credentials to access your Amazon account. This step is essential as it links your purchase to your Kindle library and ensures the book syncs across all your devices. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Here you can type Kindle books if you want to browse the general selection, or if you already know what you're looking for, type in the specific book title or author name. This flexibility makes it easy to discover new reads or find exactly what you had in mind. After hitting enter or clicking the search icon, you'll see a list of Kindle books that match your search. Take a moment to browse through the results. You'll notice cover images, prices, and customer ratings that can help you make your decision. Once you've found the book you want to purchase, click on it to open the book's detail page. On the book's detail page, look over to the right panel where you'll see the purchasing options. Here you'll find a button that says Buy Now with one click. This feature is designed to streamline the buying process, allowing you to complete your purchase instantly without going through a lengthy checkout. Click on this button to proceed. If this is your first time using the one-click purchase option, or if you need to update your payment information, Amazon will prompt you to fill in your payment details. You'll need to enter the name on the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any issues with your purchase. This step ensures your payment method is securely stored for future transactions as well. Once you've entered all the required details, look for the Place Order button in the right panel. Click on it to finalize your purchase. After you click Place Order, Amazon will process your payment, and the Kindle book will be instantly delivered to your Kindle library. You can start reading right away on any device with the Kindle app installed or on your Kindle e-reader. And that's it. You've successfully purchased a Kindle book on Amazon, and it's now ready to read whenever you want. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.